Hey guys from The Thoughtful Gardener, we're going to be putting together a new trellis system today called Sea Bites. And I think you're going to be super excited about this if you like to play with your food. Stay tuned. Hey guys, this is The Thoughtful Gardener and I am here today working on my vegetable garden. My husband absolutely loves to eat cucumbers, and I think what you're going to find is that this system is super helpful if you are looking to provide support for your plants. So let me show you what it looks like. So this is the Sea Bites system. I really like how it came packaged. It came in a really skinny box, so very environmentally friendly here. Yes, these are plastic coated, but extremely durable, and I should be able to use them for many seasons. But here is the Sea Bite system. It comes in these little bags. I already transposed them into another recycle bag so that I could consolidate them, and then you can customize the system with these little tiny tips here. That way, if you're cutting these longer pieces, you can then cover the cut so you don't hurt yourself. So I am going to put some together for you. I have both melons and I have cucumbers here that I've planted, and we're gonna actually trellis this wall. You could trellis this any way you want. First thing I've done here is just pop in the uprights. Essentially, these are completely customizable. You can see here that we have two Sea Bites, and they literally just slide together, and now I'm going to put it onto the pole to be able to connect it to the sidebar that I'm going to need for my cucumbers. That's it. Pretty cool, huh? This is super easy to put together. I have put these Sea Bites together in a matter of seconds, and the secondary poles are going in. And what I love about this is you can really customize it for your space. So I am trying to trellis this melon up this year because my crazy groundhog every year at the point that I get a melon starts to claw into them and eat them. It's either him, the raccoons, or the skunks. I have a feeling it's Mr. Groundhog. Apparently my melons are extremely delicious because he has eaten them every year at the point that they're ready to eat. So I've put this in a bed that he's gonna have a harder time getting to. Although he jumps. I don't know about yours, mine jump and climb. They should probably enter the Olympics or something. They're amazing. Supervisor Scout is looking at the finished product. What do we think, Scout? You like it? I like it. Yeah, I think she definitely likes it. So I would say for any gardener, this is a must-have. These little clamps are really easy to snap together, and you can see you can snap them together on the side, or you can snap them together in the middle. It doesn't really matter. It's whatever is going to work for your design. For any gardener, this is a really great system. I think too, if you just wanted to buy the Sea Bites themselves, if you have previous garden stakes, it looks like you could probably use those. I think that's one cool thing about this system. But super sturdy and good looking. I really like it. I highly recommend it. Have a great day, guys, and garden thoughtfully. Take care.